Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. You're paying Euro 150K annually for O&M on your 50 MW portfolio. But is it actually working? Most asset managers can't answer that question with data. Here's how to audit your entire O&M effectiveness in 30 days using information you already have. Most O&M contracts get signed, executed, and renewed on autopilot without rigorous performance evaluation. You're trusting vendor reports that they grade themselves on. But here's the problem. Mediocre O&M looks fine on paper until you benchmark it against what's actually possible. A portfolio running at 96% availability with reactive maintenance might seem solid until you realize similar portfolios with proactive O&M are hitting 98.5% with lower costs. The audit process reveals hidden opportunity cost revenue you're leaving on the table because your O&M strategy hasn't evolved. 30 days is enough time to run the diagnostic if you focus on the right metrics. Week one response time analysis. Pull your SCADA alarm logs and cross-reference them with work order timestamps. Calculate mean time to detect, mean time to dispatch, and mean time to repair for every fault category. Benchmark these against industry standards. Detection should be under 2 hours, dispatch under 24 hours, repair under 72 hours for non-critical issues. If your MTTR is running 5 to 7 days, you found your first gap. Week two, inspection coverage analysis. Map every inspection event from the last 12 months against your asset inventory. What percentage of your portfolio gets physically inspected annually? Are there blind spots, sites, or equipment types that get skipped? Pull defect closure rates. What percentage of identified defects get remediated within 90 days? Below 70% closure suggests either poor contractor follow through or budget constraints. Week three, cost effectiveness benchmarking. Calculate your total O&M spend per MW per year. Industry benchmark for utility scale is Euro 10K to Euro 15K per MW annually, including labor, parts, and contractor fees. Are you above that? Drill into unplanned maintenance costs separately. This should be under 30% of total O&M spend. If it's over 50%, you're too reactive. Week four, availability attribution analysis. This is the most revealing. Take your availability losses and categorize them. Planned maintenance, weather/curtailment, grid issues, equipment failure, and unknown/unclassified. If more than 15% of your downtime is in the unknown category, you have visibility gaps. If equipment failure accounts for more than 40% of losses, your maintenance isn't predictive enough. What I just described takes a skilled analyst 80 to 100 hours of manual data wrangling. Our AI agents do it in minutes. The data integration agent pulls from your SCADA system, work order database, and inspection records automatically. The diagnostic agent runs the statistical analysis, flags outliers, and benchmarks you against anonymized peer portfolios. The Insight Agent generates the audit report with prioritized recommendations and cost benefit estimates for each improvement. You get the 30-day audit results in 48 hours with no internal resource drain. This is the power of agentic automation, turning analysis paralysis into instant actionable intelligence. 5 red flags that mean your O&M needs immediate attention. Red flag 1, MTTR increasing over time. This suggests your contractor is getting complacent or your asset complexity is outpacing their capability. Red flag 2, inspection frequency declining. If you've gone from quarterly site visits to biannual without justification, you're drifting into set and forget mode. Red flag 3, repeat failures on the same equipment. Fixing the same inverter 3 times in 6 months means root cause isn't being addressed. Red flag 4,
Budget overruns on unplanned maintenance. This signals poor forecasting and reactive posture. Red flag 5, availability variance across similar sites. If two identical 10 MW sites are performing 3% apart in availability, your O&M consistency is broken. This audit will land you in one of three places. Scenario 1, your O&M is genuinely strong and the audit confirms it. Great, now you have data to justify the spend to investors. Scenario 2, you find 2 to 3 targeted improvement areas that can be fixed with better contractor accountability or process tweaks. This is the most common outcome. Scenario 3, you discover systemic underperformance that warrants O&M vendor change or transition to agentic automation. This is uncomfortable, but discovering it early saves millions in long-term opportunity cost. Regardless of outcome, the audit gives you decision clarity. Want to run this audit on your portfolio without spending 100 internal hours? Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.